mga Mards, I have two products here. This is the JMCY Light Focus Color Lasting Double and Lip Glaze. So I bought this in TikTok, mga Mards, and I have two because it's buy one take one. Yes, trending ito sa TikTok. And I really want to try it because it says it's transfer proof, tsaka long lasting 48 hours. Well, I don't need a lipstick that will give me 48 hours, like, diba? But anyways, I hope it will last on my lips. So, buksan muna natin tong isa. This is in the shade NR02. So, this is how it looks, mga Mards. Okay, oops, ayan. So, ganyan siya. So, this, ay, mali. Ayan, this is the lip glaze. And this is the lip cream. Ayan. So, saan ba tayo? Dito na lang. So, eto ang shade NR02. So, I'll do a swatch here, mga Mards. It's very creamy and very lightweight. Wala akong nararamdaman na may nalagay. Yeah, you can have it this dark. Pag konti lang ilalagay mo, light lang siya. Okay, so we can see a difference. So ayan, it's darker and then yung isa lighter. And you have to wait to set bago mo siya lagyan ng lip glaze. So we can do that on my lips later. So eto yung shade. This is the shade NR02 that I have. So yes, JCMY. So this is 48 hours long lasting, 3-in-1 multi-use and transfer proof and waterproof. So let's swatch the second lipstick that I have. So sealed pa siya, mga Mards. Kasi I just tried the other one before. So let's open. Actually, I ordered na sa TikTok just one. I think it's 189 ang isa. And then na-order ko na siya, na-check out ko na, and then I saw nag-buy one, take one, so, kinancel ko na lang. Ayan. So, this is the 299, mga Mards. Dalawa na. So, bale, pamapatak 150 ang isa. So, I am going to review it kasi nga, nagte-trending siya sa TikTok. So, nag-buy one, take one na lang tayo, di ba? So, let's see. Okay. Okay, the second one is in the shade NR05, mga Mards. So, eto siya. Okay, magpapareho ba sila? So, if you can see, mga Mards, this is the NR02 and this is the NR05. So, this one is darker, the NR05. Ito yung lighter. Pinkish. Yeah, pinkish. So, yeah, you can see there, it's pink. So, let's try and swatch it. Okay. Oh, okay, it's dark. Okay, and then let's have a lighter shade sa baba. So, eto siya pag dark. Yung isa nag-set na, mga Mards. Oh, wala. Transfer proof. So, ayan yung pangalawa. It's more of like the same, pero this one is lighter. This one is lighter, mga Mards. And this is the darker of this shade. Darker, darker shade. Diba? So, okay. Since dalawa lang naman sila, mga Mards, I would like to swatch them on my lips. So, both. Saan na ba yung tissue dito? Ay. So, going back sa kanyang packaging, ito yung kanyang packaging. It's so simple but very elegant kasi silver siya. And nakalagay din JCMY with a heart here. Cute. So, this one will last you like 2 years if you opened it. Okay, so hindi naman siguro abot ng 2 years. Mauubos mo na siya. Okay, so kung ako, I will really use this one kasi it's waterproof. It's transfer proof. So, we will know later. It has 2.2 grams, okay, of product. So, the texture is like lip gloss. Okay, so we have the tissue here. So, okay, wala. Transfer proof. It's really transfer proof. Wala pang lip glaze yan, mga Mards. Sabi nila, you have to apply the lip glaze to be transfer proof. Pero, I don't think so, mga Mards. Well, merong konting transfer, as in konti. Siguro nga, kailangan talaga pasaway lang. Okay, so, let's start with the NRO2. Okay, so yung texture niya, it's creamy. So, dito tayo sa taas, nag-start. So, they say you have to wait for it to set before applying the lip glaze. So, let's wait natin na mag-set. Okay, while waiting for it to set, so yung texture niya, it has a cream texture and pigmented as well. And meron parang, pag ginanon ko siya, parang yung sa Maybelline, yung 16-hour na lipstick. Yan, parang medyo nag-stick siya yung lips mo. So, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to dry. Ayan, medyo ano na siya, nade-dry na siya kasi hindi na siya nag-stick. So, meron pang konti. So, let's wait for it to dry. So, it has 6 shades. Okay, we have the NR01 Peachy Dream. Of course, the NR02 Amber Sunset. We have the NR03 Mocha Delight. Yeah, the NR04 is the Terracotta Rose. Siguro maganda yun, Rose. And the NR05, the Velvet Tara, that's our second swatch. And then we have NR06, we have the Crimson Cream. Ayan mga Mards, it's already set. Try natin, ha? Wala. Dito, wala pang ano to, wala pang lip glaze mga Mards. Isa pa. Wala. Okay. And then, let's apply the lip glaze. Pag ganun ba? Medyo nalilito ako. Ayan. So, baka masyadong marami. Konti naman masyado. Alright. Wow naman, mga Mards. So, this is the shade N02, mga Mards. Okay, and let's do again the transfer proof. Di wala, nalipat lang yung yung glaze niya. So, okay, and here, wala. Usually, when you put glaze or lip shimmer on your lips with a lipstick, usually parang natutunaw yung lipstick and then it's transfers din. So, but this one, wala. So, it's transfer proof mga Mards. So, let's try the NR05. So, tanggalin muna natin. Tingnan natin kung madali siyang matanggal. Pero nag-set na siya. So, good luck. Okay. Alright. Diba? Or hindi pa nag-set yung lip glaze. So, kahit tanggalin mo siya mga Mards, may stain. As you can see, meron pa rin. Kahit may natanggal, but meron pa rin. So, I like to use this to remove my lipstick, mga Mards, kasi it moisturizes also your lips. Hindi lang niya tinatanggal yung iyong lipstick. And it's also very effective for me to remove long-lasting lipsticks. Okay. See? Diba? Ayun, tanggal siya. I will have dinner later, so tingnan natin. Usually, basta kumain ako, nawawala talaga siya. Okay, let's try the NR05, mga Mards. Gutom na ako. the NR02 is lighter, so it looks very natural on me. This one, better than the NR02. So, let's set it again. By the way, I'm using the Boya vlogging mic that I just bought, that I just reviewed. I really like it, mga Mards. Sabi ko, gamitin ko sa stream ko, and I'm using a PC, so it's hard. I don't know how to plug it in the mixer. So, probably I won't be using this for my stream. Kasi hindi ako nag-i-stream using my phone. I don't know if you can hear the dogs. So, hindi pa siya tuyo. Parang mabilis. Ang ganda, mga Mards. I love the two. Though there are still beautiful shades. Gamitin ko kaya tomorrow kasi meron akong lakad bukas. This one, the NR02. Ang ganda! Okay. Let's put the glaze. Tuyo na siya. Alright. Oh, okay. So, mga Mars, this is the shade NR05. Mga Mars, I will be back later after dinner or before I go to bed. After dinner, kung meron pa yung lipstick, so I will give it more time. Like, before I go to bed, I will update. So, I will see you later with the update.
So, update tayo, mga Mards. It's already 10 p.m. and tapos na ako mag-dinner kanina pa. So, ngayon ko lang tatanggalin. Medyo natanggalan siya ng konti. But, it's still there. So, I think okay ito, mga Mards.
Another good and affordable product, especially for moms. The JNCY lipsticks, mga Mards. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Rice DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye!